Hi everyone, when you get your new car, the first thing you'll get is the Tesla key, a most important unit, and we're going to look at it, why it's so important and what you do with it right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
Hi everyone, nice of you to join me. So you've just picked up your new car and they give you this key card and they say to you it's very important. Now, the reason why it's so important is your phone may take up to 48 hours to be connected to the car, which allows you then to do so many features away from the car. When you're near your car, you better use it. But up until that point, this key card will not only allow you to get in the car, it will allow you to start the car. Without it, you won't be able to do either. So let's have a look at it. First of all, where do we put this key card and how does it work? Well, the first thing is, this is a little NFC tag inside it, which there is only one place that you can put it, and it's on the B pillar here. Now this B pillar actually has a little sensor in it. Where is the sensor? Well, it's not here. Is it on the camera? No. It's actually below the camera and it's about there. When it's locked, it will fold. If you set it to do so, it will unlock and fold the mirrors. You can also have it making a chirp sound when you lock it or unlock it, like this. I hope that was helpful for you. In conclusion, it is a very important thing. You won't be able to drive the car with it. We're going to look at that in another video. But for this one, it will either let you in the car, so you keep it with you, and you can use the key card to program other things. So you can program having a ring, which is another way of getting into the car. I have that personally. I've done a video on that, so if you want to look at that, so at the end of this one you'll better see why I have the ring and why it's so useful. But up until now, this is the only thing you need to let you in the car. Until the next one, take care. I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching Mal's Back Talking Tesla. You've joined over 1,000 followers worldwide, so don't miss out on the fun. Subscribe now. It's free.